The 2020 Indian Chieftain Elite. Indian motorcycle rolls into the 2020 model year with a host of new features, and the new Chieftain Elite serves as the flagship bagger model, delivering some of the best gear the factory has to offer. Hand-painted sheet metal in a distinct color combination heralds the coming of this aptly named elite machine. Not only does it rock with a premium sound system, it rolls with a new engine that boosts displacement up to a total of 116 cubic inches. Indian also upgraded the ride command system with a new quad-core processor and Indian's new connected services feature that further improves an already top-shelf system. It all comes with the usual bad-itude that has always come stock on Indian's baggers. 2020 Indian Chieftain Elite design. Each bike is hand-painted over a painstaking 25-hour process, and since hand-painting is usually part of a limited edition run, in this respect, Indian brings a top-shelf finish to the every rider category. As usual, the factory does a great job of melding the old with the new on the Chieftain Elite, and right away that's apparent in the full-length but cut-down front fender that hails back to the 20s and the classic war bonnet fender ornament that takes us back to the earliest years of this American mark. Cast wheels add a modern touch between chrome fork lowers, and up-top classic beer can fork skirts to their bit to touch on the 40s while serving the practical purpose of keeping the inner fork tubes clean and free from seal-destroying grit. The classic fairing shape looks like it just got back from the fat farm with a trimmer look that omits.
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.